Captain Larry, the 11th of April. So over here at the Performing Arts Center that we helped build about 10 years ago, inspecting the sails. So there's just a little look at the setup. Got a big floor space, we got a big auditorium, but this is the clear space that we've got to work with. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sails, not 7. So this one may be the original built by Butler Werner sails. This one is from Reggie Armstrong, Newport Beach. We'll look at the other ones and see, but I think we've got at least 3 from Reggie Armstrong, and I think maybe 3 originals. So anyway, looks like we got a Genoa there, and clearly we've got a jib, and we've got here another headsail. So we got 3 headsails. Looks like a mizzen, might be a storm trysail. We'll see what we got.